Let's say you're looking to get married, you're looking for a partner, and there's a younger part of you that says, I'm looking for my soulmate. Love and connection and romance, that's all that matters to me. But now you're at an age where you're like, hang on, I got this list of things that's important to me in a partner, and economic stability is at the top of that list. I gotta be practical. But wait, what about the younger part of you? So from a parts work paradigm, you could bring that in and say, well, a romantic connection is important with my partner, but I also want to be practical and seek someone that I have overall compatibility with. A second example would be around money. Let's say you want to have an abundance mentality around money, but you're not a multimillionaire yet. Well, you could be abundant and carefree around your energy towards money and still be responsible and appeal to that responsible part of you at the same time. You could balance that from a parts work paradigm that's possible. A third example would be around a conflict you have with someone in your life, let's say a coworker. And you want to be assertive and stand up for yourself, speak your mind. But there's another part of you that's like, I got to see this person for months or years, so they're going to feel my anger if I really speak up. Maybe that'll ruin the relationship. It's safer to just do nothing. But from a parts work paradigm, you could say, I want to be assertive and appeal to that assertive part of me. But I also want to be diplomatic and respectful. So maybe I could speak up in a diplomatic and respectful way that maintains the relationship at the same time, or at least gives it a chance to. So I invite you to pause the video now and reflect on where there's an inner conflict in your life and where you might be pushing out a part of you or maybe multiple parts of you. Bring them in, listen to their wisdom, see how you can balance them and move forward from that place. And I invite you to share in the comments any reflections that you might feel inclined to share and practice this parts work paradigm going forward in order to be way more flexible and effective in all areas of your life. And have a great day.